What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having the most golden Saturday ever, or morning. This is Saturday because that's literally, no, actually today's Sunday, crap. Because Saturday and Sunday are the only days I literally have free to work on my car. But without saying, we are going to be installing LEDs on the Datsun. At least on the fronts. I think they're H4 or something, probably. Well, they're like 7-inch LED headlights. They're inside the house now, but I'll go get them. But first of all, we have to figure out this wiring harness before we even touch the LEDs, because this is, I actually tried to install them before and it kind of didn't work because the old wiring harness is not supplying the exact amount of power, because it has 2 negatives and 1 positive, but the LEDs have 2 positives and 1 negative. So I'm going to have to figure out the wiring harness. What it does is it takes the direct power from the battery and bypasses the system of the car and plugs it to the headlight. It's kind of complicated. But yeah, and so far I've driven Datsun a few times and it actually drives really well. Anyway, that said, let us get to it. It's going to be a bit complicated, but it came with some actually not terrible instructions. So I'm going to add some zip ties. So yeah, it has the relay, it has the fuse, all that good stuff. So I'm going to open up the Datsun now, get to the lights and get started. And it shouldn't take that long too, hopefully. Now the next thing I've done is connected, there's a ground wire, this black wire right there. I've connected it to the body of the car with a relay switch thing that I don't know where that came from, but that's good. And so we're gonna move on to the other side and look for something, connect the negative, and we should be golden. Actually, kind of, sort of. So I have plugged the other side to a negative, random negative, and then now I'm gonna unplug the factory harness, which is like literally right there. Come on. It's like right there. I'm gonna unplug that. Come on. Oh yeah, that hurt a little bit. And then I'm gonna plug this into, there's a black piece. So there's a black wire with like a blue, white, and black cables. So I'm gonna plug this factory harness to this guy so we can get the switch. So that's pretty much the switch. So I'm gonna plug those two in. Actually, I'm gonna do this off camera. Hold on. So that is done. So both of them are connected. Now I'm gonna connect this guy to the bad boy over there. Got it. Okay, sweet. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. But for this side, it's interesting because you don't need to use this guy anymore, because we've gotten the switch. We don't need 2 switches. So I'm just gonna unplug this and plug in the new boy. I'm probably sure this is where the saying "cut me some slack" came from. Probably not sure, probably not verified, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna give this guy some more slack. Come over. Oh, I just hit my toe. Oh, that hurts so bad. Okay, so I've been doing wiring for almost an hour now, and I think I have it figured out. I haven't turned it on yet, so this is going to be the first time, genuinely. So what I did was I got this extra piece of wire because the red connection, which goes from the fuse, could not reach the battery, and so I had to like splice and cut and splice and boom, tape. So it's not connected. I've also done, like, look at the relay over, I don't know if you guys, literally can't see this camera, but I have connected the relay like over there, so it's like to the body of the car. Fingers crossed, please no fire. Actually, I probably need to get my fire extinguisher for this. I'm just gonna send it. I heard some clicking, some sounds. Now let's go inside and check this out. Let me check to make sure everything is good and nothing is touching, because if it is, I am finished as we know it. I'm gonna try to turn on the switch. Oh, I heard a sound. I heard a click. Yeah. Yeah. Boom. It is working. So my relay wiring goodness actually works, which is, and I'm gonna smell to see if there's any smells coming from anywhere. Also gonna check if the wire is getting hot or not, just for resistance, you know. So, oh yes, it's perfect. Okay, so these are the lights, and I'm gonna go ahead and just plug them in and see if they work now. So they have halos. They're actually LEDs. They have halos in the middle, and they can use that for the turn signals. And then these are like the HIDs or the beams or whatever. But it's actually really easy wiring. So it bolts up directly to the old stuff that I have. Boom. Oh, only one is on. Dang it. So probably my ground is not a good ground. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to plug that in well. But yeah. Oh, I figured it out. Oh my gosh, it finally turns on. So look at this. Boom. Again. I can hear the relay click too. So that's the regular lights. You have this little beamy boys on. And then whenever, boom, the brights are also on. Oh, this is perfect. But I still have some stuff to wire. Yeah, I still need to wire some extra things because, like I said, it has these turn signals and I need to make them work. And it also has daytime halo running lights. It's gonna be sick. Okay, I'm gonna wire those now. Those are really easy actually. I've already done some of them prior. So there's green and there's red. I disconnected them and used this male clip, and I'm gonna plug it into the green female clip, and then the red one kind of came off, but I'm gonna crimp it back on and plug it back in, and that should be good. So I got these boys. Come on. These guys, I'm just gonna show them to you. But yeah, so I'm gonna plug that. I'm gonna plug the red one in here, then plug it into that guy, and it should work in theory. So I've wired them in now, and yeah, so they're like back there. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's test them out. Just the front one, just that one I've wired, but let's test it. Turn on, it's on ignition, and oh yes, oh that's sick. Oh, the daytime running lights are running. Oh, it looks so sick. It looks so good. Oh, that's so good. The halos are so sick. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Alexa, pause. Oh my God, it looks so sick. Oh. Oh my God. And again, it turns the turn signal. Boom. So I'm gonna package everything to, actually I still need to wire the other side, the yellow and the red or whatever to the other side, and we should be good. But I want the daytime running lights to remain on no matter what though. But they're not remaining on. So what do I do? I'll try to Google it probably. But so far this has been so fun and successful. It literally has taken me an hour. So yep. Let us continue working with wiring the other side. And I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. So, if you guys look here, oh, I'm gonna disconnect the battery as usual first, anytime before you work on electricity, so you don't end up burning your house down. So, this coolant overflow tank is literally the most annoying thing on the planet. But no problemo. So, these are the two wires. I wish I could show you guys what the other cable looks like. So pretty much this is the turn signal wire. Actually, this is not. This is like a sensor, I think, that goes to the interior. But the way you know it's turn signal is because it has 3 prongs. And so that is the turn signal cable. And so I'm going to trace that and snip them off. They're probably located in there somewhere, actually. But I'm going to run them back into the car and then snip them off and then connect them to these bad boys, to the red and green, because as you can see how I knew, the wires here are both red and green and black. Black is for negative, but we don't need negative because we have negative running all the way to the body of the car. So we're just gonna use the positives and boom, 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 we should be golden. And then same thing with the extra boy, where is he? But down there is the wire that came off of the side reflector, which I disconnected. I don't use it anymore. So I'll show you guys where it came from. Where is it? There it is. Nope, wrong. There it is. So again, this is the indicator. Look at it. Focus, camera. This is the indicator. And this is a daytime running light bulb. So snip both of, connected. Super easy. And next we're gonna take out the headlights. I've taken out one, but I'm gonna show you take out the other. There's 3 nuts over there. And so 1, 2, 3 that are holding the, you see L there? Yep, so pretty much take them out. There's 2 here and 1 on that side. Take them out and yeah, literally just pull it out and it comes out. So I've done that. And now I'm taking out the ring because we're gonna put the LED lights inside the buckets. So there's these 3 bad boys that are there. 1, 2, and 3. So take out those, nope, there's these ones, not these ones. These ones, take out the screws and the headlights just literally come out. Put the other ones in and you're golden to go. And ta-da, it's out. And now the headlight literally just pops out. Boom. And now I'm gonna, oh crap. I'm gonna replace these bad boys. Take out the satisfying, and you have to line them up because there's backs here. These things line up with these guys over here. So that's pretty much how you do it. And it is done. Oh my God, it looks sick. Look at it. Look at it. Looks amazing. Let me check the other side out. Amazing. Look at it. It looks so good. Okay. Boom. Oh. And it literally only took a morning. I had no experience in wiring, but I finally did it. Oh, that just brings a sweet sense of goldenness. So now I really hope nothing burns down. So I guess I also have to carry fire extinguishers in my car all the time. Yep, that's pretty much it, guys. And I'll show you guys what it looks like at night too. Just a reference. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys have a golden rest of the day. And yeah, it wasn't that hard. So anyone can do it. If a silly human like me can do it, then you can. Oh, it's getting toasty. I'll catch you guys on the next golden drive. Bye.